Gripple, we're not just making products, we're making a difference. Imagine a world where we handle every step of production ourselves, from the initial idea and sourcing materials to manufacturing most of our components, all the way to the final product. That's what we mean by vertical integration. It helps us work more efficiently, deliver better quality, and keep our customers happy. And as a 100% employee-owned company, success for our customers means success for us. Our journey starts with a challenge: to innovate and push boundaries, crafting solutions that redefine standards with the passion we pour at every step. Our advanced die casting isn't just about producing parts, it's about perfecting them. With over 104 million castings in 100 variants annually, and being one of the UK's largest zinc die casting sites, we set the bar high because our customers deserve nothing less. We're relentless in our pursuit of excellence. Every year we produce up to 260 million injected moulded parts and assemble over 70 million Gripple units, each one meticulously inspected to ensure it's worthy of bearing the Gripple name. In our metal forming facilities, roll forming, steel pressing and wire forming come together, all seamlessly integrated with a sustainable, smart building management system. But we don't stop there. Our commitment runs deep. We even design and build our own automated manufacturing machinery. Our vertically integrated approach isn't just about leading the industry. For us, it's about driving towards a sustainable future, powered by new technologies and our ambitious net zero goals. At Gripple, we're more than just manufacturers, we're innovators with a global reach. We connect with over 8,000 customers in 85 countries worldwide. It's a monumental task, but one that we all embrace with dedication and pride. With every innovation, every product, we're not just in the game, we're changing it. Gripple. Change the game.